Hello everyone! Today's video is a special collaboration, where the theme is to choose a color and create a creative makeup look from it. My color happened to be red, so I decided to do something inspired by Bram Stoker's Dracula. I am also honored to be doing this collaboration with some of the most creative MUAs here on YouTube. Make sure to check out all of their videos as they are super talented and creative, and I feel like the creative community here in the beauty community itself needs a little bit more love. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, I need to get rid of these eyebrows because, yeah, I need to draw on different eyebrows later on, but, I could just conceal them, but, YOLO, right? Afterwards, I'm going to go in with a white foundation. This, once again, is from Keanu, and I'm going to cover my entire face in it. Just really rubbing that into the skin. Taking this sponge by Pure Cosmetics, I'm blending that all in until everything looks very even and seamless. I've been watching a lot of John McClean videos recently, so I can't stop saying that word. Seamless. Seamlessness. Now setting this with a white setting powder. This is the Super White Professional Powder from Ben Nye. And I also make the most horrendous faces when doing this. For the eyes, first I'm going to use a red eyeshadow. This is Love Plus from Sugar Pill. I'm applying this right along my socket bone area, only in the inner parts of my upper eyelids. You want to use an angle liner brush for this, as this will allow for more precision. Then blend upward. Then you want to use a darker reddish brown shadow. This is Aphrodite from Makeup Geek. Apply this right to the bottom of the cut crease to make this look more deeper. That is not correct grammar. More deep. Deeper. Yeah. Well, you know what I mean, right? Right. Now using a red eyeliner, I'm first drawing a line going out diagonally from my outer eyelid. Then bringing that in and right above my crease. Connecting it right here to the inner corner. Then you want to just fill that all in. Then I'm taking Love Plus once again and applying that to the middle of the eyeliner. Just very gently patting this on top. In the inner corners, I'm applying Aphrodite and trying to create a gradient effect with it. So you just want to work that back and forth, doing the same for the outer parts as well. Then applying that same red liner to my waterline and lower eyelid. I'm mostly focusing this on the outer corners. Then taking more of Love Plus and patting that on top and smoking it out. To add more contrast, I'm taking Aphrodite and applying this right on the outer corner. Now to sharpen this crease, I'm taking a white foundation on a small brush and just adding a line between that and the gradient eyeliner. Then taking a white setting powder and applying that on top to set in place. Now here, I'm going to use a tiny amount of a cool brown shadow. Using a very fluffy brush, and this one is from Chiku Hodo, I do believe, and applying this on the inner corners of my eyebrows. So right there. For mascara, I'm using double stacked mascara from NYX. Then applying a set of fake mink lashes from Rouge and Rogue. Now for my nose. I want to create a more mature look, for one, so I'm going to use a eyeshadow in the color dull pink to contour my nose. So first I'm just very generally applying this to the lower half of my nose. Then I'm bringing this around the sides of my nose to emphasize my nose shape. So just really working that into the creases right along the sides of my nose. Then I'm taking that same red eyeliner and smudging that around my nostrils. This is meant to be a very bloody look, so that's what I'm doing that for. Just really applying that around my nostrils to make them look like they're sort of bleeding out. Then taking these two fake tears I made out of hot glue and sticking that right below each eye. I'm using dual eyelash glue right here as an adhesive. Make sure to press down firmly to ensure it sticks. These tears are meant to represent how I felt about Keanu Reeves and his British accent in Bram Stoker's Dracula. It's literally the worst British accent I've ever heard in my entire life. It's so horrible. I couldn't stop cringing, but anyways, now I'm going to use a red liquid lipstick. And this is from a brand that I no longer support. Yeah. I'm applying that to all my lips. My top and bottom one. And even going past the lip line because this is meant to be a very bloody look. Not a neat one, so just applying that and smudging that all out as well. Then taking Aphrodite and blending that into the corners of my mouth. I'm also applying it going down my nostrils and chin to really fake that really disgusting bloody look, because I'm like a vampire feeding on people. And I'm also really sad at the same time. I don't know why. Now to highlight my nose, cause why not, right? Right, so I'm going to use a shimmery white shadow, which is also from Sugar Pill, and applying that vigorously. Yes, very vigorously to the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose. Now I really need some very sharp eyebrows. So I'm going to take this black shadow and drawing a thin line where my eyebrows used to be. then darkening the ends ever so slightly. And now, you're officially ready to be a vampire. A really sad but dangerous vampire. Yes, indeed. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Make sure to check out everyone else I collaborated with. They are super talented and creative. The best of both worlds, I know. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and let me know your thoughts down below. Without further ado, I will see you all later, and I hope you're all doing well. Bye.